Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, my name is Tara. I've got a fun video today. Well, a fun thing. Anyway, I watch a YouTuber called 90s LoveChild, and her name is Sariah. She's just fabulous, and her channel has grown exponentially since I've started watching her. She's just awesome. She reviews makeup, she has really cool opinions, and she is just a really top chick. I really enjoy her channel. Her aesthetic is different, and for a lot of her videos, for every video, she wears a different colour wig. So she inspired me. I am a hairdresser, but I've never worn a wig. So because of Sariah's inspirational hair changes for every video, I thought, why not give this a go and buy myself a wig? Now, because I've never worn a wig, I just bought a cheap wig, and I bought it from AliExpress. I haven't opened it yet, so I do not know what's in this bag. I'm not expecting great things because I paid under $15 for it, and it claims to be a lace front wig. For anybody that doesn't know what a lace front wig is, it's a wig that for the first portion of the wig where the hairline sits, it's very, very fine lace that when you put it on, the lace sort of blends in, and you can use wig glue to stick the lace down, and it looks a lot more natural than a wig that has a very solid hairline. And generally lace front wigs are more expensive, but you can get some really cool wigs for a very good price these days with a lace front, and generally they all come from Asia. Oh, look, sneak peek at what the colour is. Yeah, generally they all come from like Asia. They're all made in China or Asian countries. It's got some weight to it. Hell yes, I love that colour. They send you a wig cap. That's handy. That's the thing. Another thing that if you didn't know about wigs is that you need to use a wig cap. I actually ordered 2 wigs. I got one from AliExpress and one from eBay. This one's from AliExpress. The eBay one hasn't turned up. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. I was going to film with the 2 wigs, but the one from eBay hasn't turned up yet. So I couldn't wait any longer. I had to have a play with this wig. It's long. I'm going to hold it across this way so you can see. It's very long and it's very heavy. And it's not a lace front. I should have known that was going to happen. So that's a non-lace front wig where it's got the solid band across the hairline. But that's, I suppose we can make it work. The fibres, like it's obviously not human hair. It's synthetic. And it is going to shed quite a bit to begin with. It feels like it's decent quality synthetic. It should be relatively heat proof. It's supposed to have like a dark shadow root, but it's only on the top. That dark colour is only on the top. So that's stupid. But I mean, guys, what was I expecting to get for $14? But it still could be fun. It could be fun. Let's do this. Let's pop on the hairnet. So you okie dokie. Alright, I was just looking at the instructions on the back. Shows you how to put it on. It's just like a stocking. So it says, actually, before I do this, I might lower my ponytail just so it's not sitting on the top of my head. So it says to stretch it out, put it, oh god, oh shit, it's a bit tight. It's tight. I'm just going to cut off my circulation in my scalp. Okay, so it says that's how you put it on. It's nice and secure. I'm going to push it up a little bit so it's sort of right on my hairline. It suits me. And now for the wig. Just gonna, I don't even know if this is how you put them on. It feels like no. It feels incorrect. Oh shit, it also feels super small. This is not going as well as I planned, as well as I envisioned. I think I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to turn it upside down, stick my head in it. Oops, nearly knocked everything over. I've got hair everywhere. There's too much hair in the front. If I just pull a little bit over the front, just get it's a little bit tangled from flipping it. Oh God, I can't get the hair out of my face. It's cute! It's so bloody cute. It's a lot of hair. But it's so cute, guys. I probably look like a dickhead. But I love it. I actually think I really do like it. I think I need to do a bit of finessing. Use some of my skills to actually tidy it up a little bit. I feel like it's too bulky down here. So I'd probably take to it with some texturizing shears or some thinning scissors and just thin out this area down here because it is so bloody bulky. But what do you think? Tell me in the comments, like, can I pull off a wig or should I just stick to my normal plain, ratty, unkept, unmaintained mess of a mop that is my hair on my head? I think it's cool. You can tie it back a little and just have some pieces at the front. Yeah, it's much too bulky, but it's really long. Like, comes down to past me boobs. So yes, this is wig 1. When wig 2 arrives, I will try that one on as well. The next one coming is like a brunette, dark brunette. It's supposed to be nice and wavy. Thank God it's winter time almost here. It's it's actually autumn, but it's bloody cold. So thank God the weather's cold because there's no bloody way that I could wear this in warm weather because it's so hot. Like, I'm not feeling hot now, but I know that if it was over 20 degrees, I'd be cooking under this. But yeah, I think it's quite pretty. I love the colour. I've had my hair this colour before and I love this colour. Not too crush hot on the faux root smudge that they've tried to create there. It would be so much better if it actually was all the way through, but like underneath it's just pink. I could have even handled just being all pink. And it just keeps getting in my face, sticking to my eyelashes. But yeah, it would have been better just all pink, I reckon. So I might order another one in all pink. But yeah, there we go. That's my first ever wig and it was supposed to be a lace front. It was advertised as a lace front. It's not a lace front, and I hate how they do that. I hate how on these websites like Wish and eBay and AliExpress and all these other cheap websites, they say in the description that it's one thing. The pictures they show you are one thing, and then what they send you is completely different. This is not what was in the picture. The colour's the same, but the hair in the picture was completely different. And it actually showed you the piece of lace at the front, because a proper lace front wig comes with a big piece of lace that you trim to fit your head, and this has nothing. It's a thick band. And you can see, oh, this bloody hair, I just can't get it under control. You can see the hairline is very, very like stark, and it's there, and it's just bold and a straight line with a lace front. It's very, very soft, and it looks like the hair's growing out of your own head. It's all the stars, all the famous stars wear lace front wigs. But I think that I could possibly do this. Like if I actually invest in a really good one, I reckon I could rock the wigs in winter time. Not summer, in winter. I kind of look a little bit like Morticia Addams at the moment, but it's not a bad look, is it? Tell me what you think. Am I being a dickhead, or could this be a thing? Could I wear wigs? I give credit to Sariah from 90s LoveChild. Go and check out her channel. She's really cool. She has a lot of experience with makeup, and she has a massive makeup collection. But she's not your average beauty guru or influencer. She's a cool chick. And yeah, go and check out her videos and check out all of her beautiful wigs that she wears. So yeah, that's this video for now. I'm just going to leave it there because I haven't got anything else to show you today. Except for my makeup. Guys, my makeup today. Look at my eyes. I thought I'd have a play in my makeup. Like, I didn't film this, but I just wanted to have a play, and I wanted to play in orange. I wanted to lather myself in orange. And that's what I did. So yes. I've been getting like lots of comments, guys. You're starting to request videos, which I love that. Like video ideas. I love that. Keep them coming, and I promise you, I promise that the videos that you're requesting are coming. I just need to, have those things happen for me to be able to film them. So I've got one subscriber has asked for me to film a video while I'm working on a client, like for hair. And I'm more than happy to do that, but I have to find the right client, a client that's happy to be filmed. So I'm working on that one. I'm happy to do that. So yeah, any other ideas, anything you want to see, just pop it in the comments below and we will get to that. We will start building a playlist of the videos that you guys have asked for. So yeah, I might name it like subscribers requests or something like that, and so you guys can always find the video that you've requested. But it's just going to take a bit of time, that's all, because like I said, the topic of the video that needs to happen for me to be able to film it. So I'm going to do that. But I love that you guys are starting to ask for specific content. That warms my heart so much, that you guys want to see more from me. I love that. I'm so grateful. So thank you. Thank you so much, and keep them coming. Yeah, I thought this would be a bit of fun. Just play in a massive amount of fake hair, and hopefully the second one comes soon and I can show you the second one. And after the second one arrives, I will make an executive decision whether or not I'm going to invest in a proper wig, because I do know that if this one came like this, the second one is going to be the same. It's not going to be lace front. It's just going to be a cosplay wig, a costume wig. So yeah, after the second one comes, I will decide. whether or not I'm going to spend the money on a decent wig, because I really would love to own one, because you can change your whole appearance with a wig, and it's just about self-expression. Same as makeup. You can wear as crazy a makeup as you want or as subtle makeup as you want. It's all about your self-expression and how you want who you are on the inside to translate on the outside. And I think that's what makeup is about. And that extends to accessories like wigs and jewellery and your clothes, like fashion. It's all the same. It's how you express on the outside who you are on the inside. I know I could just sleep in it. It's just so much hair. I could sleep in it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give my video a thumbs up and send your comments down below. Post your comments and let me know what you think. Yeah, share my videos and just share the love. Don't forget about this month's giveaway. It's the 4 mini palettes of the Revlon Colour Stay eyeshadows, the whole collection. I'll pop a link in the little thing up here so you can click on that video so you can check it out, so you know exactly what to do for the month's giveaway. Go and do something kind for somebody, because when you make someone else feel good, it will make you feel good, I promise. See you later. Bye.